Hello folks, welcome to Sherwood Park Toyota, located at 31 Automall Road in Sherwood Park, Alberta, Canada. Today I'm going to be showing you this 2010 Toyota Corolla. Now the most notable features on this Corolla is its AM/FM CD player. You also have your rear folding seat along with your exterior temperature gauge. Now I'm going to go through a couple more features on the inside and outside of the vehicle just to get you better familiar with this 2010 Toyota Corolla. Let's get started. Now a couple of the exterior features that you will see on this Corolla is its daytime running lights. And then if we take a closer look just over on the side, you have your 15-inch wheels. You also have your foldable mirrors as well as your heated mirrors. And the color we're going to be taking a look at today is silver. Now taking a closer look just at the front dash as well as the front seats, you have your cloth interior, mirror controls. And then as you can see, you have your roll-up windows. And taking a look just at the options you'll find just on the display here, as you can see, you have your exterior temperature gauge, but you can also hit the switch just located down below here, and you'll find your clock on there as well, odometer reading, hazard lights, AM/FM CD player, temperature control settings, auxiliary input, matted to a manual transmission. The other nice thing is that you have some additional space with your top and bottom glove compartment. Finally, we'll be taking a look at your rear cargo area as well as your trunk. Now, you do have the rear folding seat, so if you want to have it folded down, pull on one of the two tabs that you see up top. And then if we take a closer look underneath the floor, you'll find your spare tires as well as your jack and toolkit, so if you do find yourself in a bit of a pinch, you know exactly where it's located. Thank you so much, folks, for watching this video today. If you have any questions, please visit us. We're located at 31 Automall Road in Sherwood Park, Alberta, Canada. Phone number is 780-410-2455, or please visit our website at sptoyota.com to get us by email. Once again, folks, thank you so much for watching this video today. If you have any comments or any additional questions, please leave them in the comments section located down below. Other than that, make sure you have a great day, and I hope to see you next time.